The secret to a great website isn't fancy design, it's making it work for a tired, stressed out brain. You know that feeling when you're trying to fill out a complicated form online, but you're also watching your kids and a pop up demands your attention? You can't find the next button and just give up in frustration. For most of us, that feeling is temporary. But for millions of people, that's what using a poorly designed website feels like all the time. This is called cognitive accessibility. It's about designing for how people think and process information. And it's not just for people with permanent conditions like dyslexia or ADHD. It's for anyone with a temporary limitation. Think about trying to use a site when you're sick, in pain, or under extreme stress. Your brain isn't at 100%. It's also for people in situational limitations, like a new parent trying to order something online at 3 a.m. with a crying baby. They have zero patience for a confusing checkout process. The solutions are basically just good, thoughtful design. Use simple, direct language. Keep sentences and paragraphs short. Structure your page with clear headings and bullet points so people can scan. Keep your navigation consistent so the menu is always in the same place on every page. Avoid autoplaying videos and annoying pop-ups that break concentration. And if someone makes a mistake on a form, don't make them start over. Just provide clear, helpful instructions on how to fix it. This isn't about dumbing down your content. It's about removing unnecessary hurdles. It's about empathy, and it makes your website more effective for everyone.